What if I told you that Japan has just built a house using a giant 3D printer and it's strong enough to survive earthquakes? It sounds like something from the future, but it's happening right now. In one of the most earthquake prone countries in the world, Japan has completed its first government approved 2-story 3D printed concrete home. This isn't just a prototype, it officially meets Japan's strict seismic safety standards. The house was developed by Kijuki Cooperative Limited with architectural studio Onocom and built using a massive 3D construction printer from Cobalt. Instead of laying bricks, the printer slowly squeezes out cement like material layer by layer, forming curved walls, floors, and even the roof. Around 39 cubic meters of material were used, and the structure rises 7 meters high. The design is inspired by natural caves with smooth curves and strong arches. Inside the living area is upstairs, while the bedroom sits below. Even more impressive, just 4 people operated the system. This isn't just a new house, it's a new way of building the future.